Welcome to the channel, The $25 Investor, the place where small investments can turn into life-changing wealth over time. What if I told you that just $25 a week, yes, less than the cost of a few meals, could potentially grow into hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars in the future? Most people believe investing requires a lot of money to get started. But the truth is, consistency beats size. It is not about how much you start with, it is about how long you stay invested and how disciplined you are. Today we are going to break down one powerful company, Caterpillar Inc., and show you how a simple strategy of investing $25 every single week can build serious wealth over time. This is not about getting rich overnight. This is about building a system that works for you, week after week, year after year, allowing compound growth to do the heavy lifting. Now let's take that idea one step further and make it practical. Imagine committing to just $25 every week into Caterpillar. At first glance, $25 may not seem like much. It might feel too small to make a difference. But when you invest consistently every single week, you are building momentum. Over time, those small contributions begin to stack, and more importantly, they begin to grow. This strategy is known as dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the market, you invest the same amount regularly, regardless of whether the stock price is going up or down. This removes emotion, reduces risk, and allows you to benefit from market fluctuations over time. And when you pair this strategy with a strong company like Caterpillar, you are building on a solid foundation. Caterpillar is one of the most important industrial companies in the world. It manufactures heavy equipment used in construction, mining, energy, and infrastructure projects across the globe. Think about highways, bridges, buildings, and energy systems. Caterpillar machines are often behind those massive developments. What makes this company especially important is that it is directly tied to global economic growth. When economies expand, infrastructure spending increases. And when infrastructure spending increases, demand for Caterpillar's equipment rises. The company also benefits from multiple revenue streams, including equipment sales, services, maintenance, and financing. This creates a durable business model that has proven to perform over long periods of time. Now, to truly understand its potential, let's compare Caterpillar to the broader market. The SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, which represents the S&P 500, has delivered solid returns over time. Over the past 3 years, it has grown around 20%. Over 5 years, approximately 13.65%. And over 10 years, about 15.72%. But Caterpillar tells a different story. Over 3 years, it has grown approximately 57.04%. Over 5 years, about 29.67%. And over 10 years, roughly 29.36%. This shows that Caterpillar has significantly outperformed the broader market across multiple time frames. While past performance does not guarantee future results, it does highlight the company's ability to generate strong returns consistently. Before we go deeper into the numbers, it is important to remember that this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. The examples and opinions shared here are based on personal research and experience. Investing involves risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Always do your own research or consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. With that in mind, let's take a closer look at Caterpillar's growth rates. Over the past 3 years, the company has achieved a growth rate of approximately 57.04%. Over 5 years, the growth rate is about 29.67%, and over 10 years, it stands at roughly 29.36%. These numbers reflect consistent performance across both short and long-term periods, which is exactly what long-term investors look for. Now let's break this down into something even more practical, your actual investment. If you invest $25 per week, in 1 year you are investing $1,300. Over 5 years, that becomes $6,500. Over 10 years, $13,000. Over 15 years, $19,500. Over 20 years, $26,000. Over 25 years, $32,500. And over 30 years, $39,000. At this point, you might be thinking, that is not a huge amount of money. And that is exactly the point. The magic does not come from how much you invest. It comes from how that money grows over time. So let's look at what happens to that $25 per week when it compounds. After 5 years, your $6,500 grows to approximately $18,629. After 10 years, your $13,000 grows to around $60,660. After 15 years, your $19,500 grows to about $118,902. After 20 years, your $26,000 grows to roughly $205,022. After 25 years, your $32,500 grows to about $504,044. And after 30 years, your $39,000 grows to approximately $962,675. Now here is where things get really interesting. What happens if you simply increase your weekly investment? If you invest $50 per week, after 5 years, your $13,000 grows to about $37,258. After 10 years, $26,000 becomes around $121,321. By 15 years, $39,000 grows to approximately $237,804. After 20 years, $52,000 becomes about $410,044. After 25 years, $65,000 grows to over $1,008,088. And after 30 years, $78,000 grows to nearly $1,925,350. Now take it further. At $100 per week, after 5 years, your $26,000 grows to $74,516. After 10 years, $52,000 becomes $242,642. After 15 years, $78,000 grows to $475,608. After 20 years, $104,000 grows to $820,089. After 25 years, $130,000 grows to over $2,016,176. And after 30 years, $156,000 grows to approximately $3,850,700. And it keeps accelerating. At $150 per week, after 30 years, your investment grows to approximately $5,776,050. At $200 per week, after 30 years, your investment grows to about $7,701,401. At $250 per week, after 30 years, your investment grows to approximately $9,626,751. And finally, at $300 per week, after 30 years, your investment grows to around $11,552,101. This is the true power of compounding combined with consistency. So what does all of this mean for you? It means you do not need to wait to start investing. You do not need thousands of dollars upfront. You can begin with just $25 a week. If you stay consistent and give your investments enough time to grow, you can potentially build significant wealth. And if you increase your contributions over time, the results can become life-changing. In the next video, we will explore other companies like Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Meta, Tesla, Amazon, and Google, and compare which ones can help you build the most wealth over time. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you do not miss what comes next. Thank you for watching.